Imagine standing at the edge of a storm, watching your business struggle to stay afloat in a sea of competition. What if I told you that with the right strategies, you could transform that storm into a breeze, propelling your local roofing business to new heights? In today's digital landscape, effective SEO is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. If you want to stand out and attract more clients, listen closely as we explore 10 essential tactics that can elevate your online presence and ensure your business thrives. Number 1. Optimize your Google My Business profile. Claim your listing and fill it out completely. Accurate information about your business hours, services, and high-quality photos of your work can lead to a 70% increase in local visibility. Regular updates keep customers engaged and informed. Number 2. Use location-specific keywords. Research and incorporate keywords that your potential clients are searching for. Phrases like roof installation in city name should be integrated into your titles, headings, and content. This targeted approach helps Google understand where your services are available. Number 3. Create localized landing pages. Build unique landing pages for different neighborhoods or regions. Address local needs and interests, such as roofing solutions for specific weather conditions. This not only improves search rankings, but positions you as a local expert. Number 4. Build quality local backlinks. Establish partnerships with reputable local businesses and organizations to earn backlinks. Participate in community events and sponsor local charities to strengthen these connections while enhancing your online authority. Number 5. Maintain consistent NAP information. Ensure that your name, address, and phone number are consistent across all online directories. Inconsistencies can confuse search engines and potential clients, negatively impacting your rankings. Number 6. Leverage customer reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on platforms like Google My Business and Yelp. Responding to these reviews, both positive and negative, demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction and builds trust. Number 7. Create high-quality content. Produce informative content that addresses the questions and concerns of your audience. Blog posts about roofing maintenance or seasonal advice can help establish you as an authority in your field. Number 8. Optimize on-page elements. Pay attention to on-page optimization by using unique meta titles and descriptions that include local keywords. Use header tags effectively and ensure your site loads quickly to enhance user experience. Number 9. Utilize social media. Maintain an active presence on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Share engaging content related to your services, projects, and community involvement to attract new customers. Number 10. Monitor your SEO performance. Regularly track your SEO performance using tools like Google Analytics. Analyzing traffic sources and user behavior helps identify trends and inform future marketing strategies. Now, here's the kicker. Implementing these strategies is crucial, but the real challenge lies in staying ahead of the curve as SEO trends evolve. What happens if you overlook the latest updates? You risk losing potential clients to competitors who adapt faster. To navigate these turbulent waters with confidence, visit bighomeprojects.com for trusted resources that connect homeowners with reliable contractors. Explore our platform to find the right local talent for your roofing projects and watch your business soar above the competition.